What's the name of the place, Mai? Anong pangalan itong place? We have we're having mandatory stopover. This is a long stretch of highway, no? From
PTT Wangyo Charyo PH
7-Eleven
Wangyo
store in anong gas station to? Can you read? PTT, no? PTT gas station. So this is almost in central Thailand.
At Pichit.
Huh?
Pichit.
Malapit sa Pichit. Pero may isa doon, ano pronounce? Wangyoto?
Wangyoto is Pichit is parang the province or the
Ano? So this is yung inside ng 7-Eleven na. Medyo malaki na 7-Eleven store. No? So for those traveling in Thailand, yung minimum purchase for you to use yung credit card mo is 200 baht. No? So kami dito kasi we had a coffee. No? We had a coffee. Mura na naman yung kape. And plus some bread. No? Mandatory bread lang din. Then with chichiria. Then shave. No?
Basta na yung hotel.
So favorite na bread ko yung may pandan. Hinalo mo sa kape. Super sarap, no? Pang pagising. Diba? Ano? Somebody's busy. Ano? Sa kanya.
Trying to look at our hotel.
The navigator.
Already have our book.
So kanin
Wanshan River Hotel.
Rejected. Nag-book na rin kami sa Agoda.
We have to go to the front desk.
Front desk. So because it's past 2 o'clock na. So yan yung style kasi namin. We're booking na kagad, no? Yung accommodation. So yung nakita na mga accommodation. Excellent may, no?
Yeah,
excellent.
So good view of the river.
Tapos
book the confirm bit, but the client said we have to confirm.
Okay. And ang advantage dito sa Thailand, no? Almost all over Thailand, yung affordability. No? So yung mga hotels nila excellent yung rating, tapos hindi ganun kamahal. Okay, yung mga tourists pumunta talaga dito. Right? No?
So true.
2,000 lang to eh. Parang the best hotel sa place, no? Na pupuntahan namin. The place is, ano to? Riverside, ano to? Ano yung pangalan ng?
Okay. Are you
finished? For those of you driving, mag-mandatory stop talaga, na? Lalo na kung medyo antok. Okay.